Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Armand and today I'm going to see how is looking the street next to Hollywood. Already I hear they start to fix it. They put the concrete and everything, or I think the name is not concrete, I don't know in English. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. And of course don't forget to share with your friends who they are coming to Calador to see how is looking Calador. Let's go around, let's see how it's looking. Okay guys, they are starting to make the street. Already is looking like done. They are working, just they put it on, still is hot. On this side is looking almost done. There is ready. All this still to the spice of India is looking like this. Let's make the round, let's make the update of today. Actually it's ready. I think in 3 days, 4 days they finish the working. Is the part here with the Hollywood. Let's see if it's hot. Yep, it's hot.
But they build everything again.
Yeah, because this was so bad, but they fix it. It's done. Don't remember also this was super bad and now it's new. But I was thinking we'll be moving so slow, but it's done already. Look, it's finished, they finished.
Can you pass?
And this was the update guys. The street is looking ready. Still they have a piece to do it that side close to the kids park till to the where is the paradise garden, the place of karaoke. I think 20 meters and it's done. I think tomorrow they finish. I was thinking it will be a while till when they finish all that, but they move quite fast. If you come in holiday, don't worry about, everything is ready. The street is ready, no dust. It's perfect. Your holiday is safe. If you like this video guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. And of course don't forget to share with your friends and let a comment what do you like to see in the next video in Calador, or maybe around of Mallorca, maybe a review for a hotel or review for a restaurant. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.